Meaning of hieroglyphic.
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 Hieroglyphic. The term hieroglyphic refers to a writing system used by ancient Egyptians that consisted of pictures and symbols representing words and sounds. The word itself comes from the Greek words hieros, which means sacred, and glyphian, which means to carve. Hieroglyphics were written on papyrus scrolls in temple walls and played a crucial role in preserving ancient Egyptian culture and history. Today, the term hieroglyphic is also used more broadly to describe any form of writing, artwork, or design that uses pictorial symbols and motifs.